Namaste yogis! Today I wanted to share with you my favorite salad recipe. It is a salad that I have been eating for probably alternate day during my 23 kilos weight loss journey as my lunch. It has a really good mix of everything and I love the dressing that I make with it. It is so delicious. So let me just share this with you and I hope that it comes as a handy recipe that you can make. It's really easy, no big effort, not a lot of time. So let's get right into it. So for this recipe, you're going to be needing some lemon juice, yogurt, salad, avocado, tomato, cucumber, cauliflower, celery, asparagus, edamame, water chestnuts, mint, tofu, some salt, and some tahini. So that's a lot of things, but honestly, whatever you have in your fridge and handy. So I'm gonna start off by just chopping the tofu and starting that because honestly, this recipe takes maximum 10 minutes to make. So just starting off with what needs preparation, just putting it here and gonna put it into the air fryer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Next up, I'm gonna be chopping the things that I need to boil. So starting off with some cauliflower here. And honestly, you can go with whichever vegetables you have in your fridge, maybe broccoli, funsi, whatever you have. There's no hard and fast. It's just a way to put in some fiber into the salad, meaning vegetables. So that goes into some water. And then next up, I'm gonna be putting in some asparagus. I love them, so just cutting those and then also putting those into the water. And then next up, I'm putting one little handful of edamame beans. And then finally, I'm also gonna be putting some water chestnuts, just for a little bit of crunch in the salad. And I'm gonna put all of this into the stove just to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. So while that's happening, I'm gonna prepare the other ingredients, the ones that I don't need to really do much with. So starting off with some salad, I like it nice and small, so just chopping those a little bit more. Then I'm gonna put in some celery. Celery is really good on a weight loss journey, so I like to put this in wherever I possibly can and use it to the max. So just slicing them and then I'll chuck it into the bowl. Next up, I'll cut up some tomatoes. I'm using one entire tomato. And here I'm making a salad for 2, so this is the measurement for 2 people. Feel free to use how much you need to for yours, depending on how many people you're cooking for. And then I'm gonna throw in a little bit of capsicum. I had this one handy, so I just chopped that up and put it in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some cucumber as well. So honestly, whatever you have in the fridge, just throw it in because once we make the dressing for the salad, everything's gonna come together, so don't worry. So here, just chopping them, and then I'll throw that in as well. Then I'm gonna put in some healthy fats, so avocado. Like I said, I'm cooking for 2, so I'm using an entire avocado. If it was just for myself, I would have gone with half. In it goes. I use the spoon method to try to make it easy. I am not a cook, so this is the best that I can do. So the base is ready here. I'm just gonna go ahead and also chop up some mint. Now this adds a really nice flavor to the salad. It's very small, but it makes a very big difference. I really like to add mint into my food. So there it goes. And finally, the tofu was ready from the air fryer, so I'm also gonna put those in. There's a nice balance of cold and hot here, which I really like. And now let's make the dressing. Now this is what really puts everything together. So I start off by taking some yogurt. That's the base. Then I take a little bit of tahini. I take about 1 entire spoon of that. So this is the one I'm using. And then I put in some lemon juice. I usually just eyeball it. You'll be able to taste it. And then I end with some salt. So try to add less salt because we are putting in lemon, so you don't need so much salt. And then just, it's ready. Just mix it up and the dressing is all ready to go. And trust me guys, this dressing is something you're gonna use again and again. And whichever salad you make, you can honestly just toss this dressing into it. It is fantastic. So these elements are ready. Now everything was boiled and ready, so I took that in and also placed the vegetables into the salad. So everything is finally coming together, nice and slow. And I'm gonna just take a few moments here to just mix it all really well so that everything is nice and balanced and it's good to go very soon. I love how there's so much color to it. There's a nice mix of my fibers, protein, and it's just great, healthy fats. And if you'd like to add carbs with this, you're welcome to have maybe a piece of bread with some high protein cheese, whatever you want. It's easy to pair. So this is what this really fat, yummy salad looks like. I can't wait to dig in. This is the clip where I put the dressing on top and it's finally time to eat. So let's do a little bit of a taste test. And honestly, I've done this so many times, so I know it's good. And I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Namaste.